Profile of antimicrobial susceptibility from cattle's milk isolates suffering from mastitis in District Lahore. Abstract. Mastitis is highly prevalent infection in cattle causing cost-effective loss in dairy milk production. Escherichia coli is the most frequently isolated bacteria causing mastitis worldwide. The current study was performed to investigate the mastitis prevalence and effect of different antibiotics against pathogens causing it. In sum, 216 milk samples were collected randomly, including 180 from both cows and buffaloes. These samples were subjected to field mastitis test for prevalence of mastitis that found 18.50% and 23.14% in buffaloes and cows respectively. Mastitis was more prevalent both in buffaloes and cows at the age of 9-10 years, that was reported in 35% and 32% respectively. The affected buffaloes showed 65% samples contain watery fluid having blood, pus and mucus, whereas 36% samples of affected cows had mucus and watery fluid. Pus and blood content were found to be 12% and 16% respectively. Subclinical mastitis was prevalent as 56% and 55% in cows and buffaloes respectively, while acute mastitis as 4% and 5% in similar fashion. In both groups, right for part of udder was frequently affected than any other. Among commonly used for antibiotics, norfloxacin was observed the most effective antibiotic to control mastitis as compared to gentamicin, penicillin and ciprofloxacin. The benefit of this study is to diagnose mastitis and use to isolate pathogens for further processing like antibiotic sensitivity and resistance. This study will help veterinarians in better selection of antibiotic to control mastitis.